Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So let's talk about the results of PGR. I'm not sure how this is going to show up on my camera here, but this is a deep, dark, full green right now. There are a few areas that are still recovering from spot leveling, but this is probably the darkest green that I've had this lawn. It's the fullest that I've had this lawn. I am a true believer in PGR, plant growth regulator. This is Primo Max. Normally I don't give out the name of products on the channel because I don't promote any products. I just tell you what I'm doing, but I will tell you this is Primo Max. And what I've changed is I over applied this at 0.50 ounces per 1,000 square feet. I had to let it grow out. I pushed a lot of growth, water, and fertilizer, but it finally came back through. And now I'm using 0.11. That's a low minimum dosage that I'm going to apply every 2 weeks. So for the month, that will be 0.22 ounces per month. And I think that may be the sweet spot. Only time will tell. Right now, I'm pulling off about 1/4 of a bucket on the mower, or basket, I mean, on the mower when I cut it. But man, I cannot find any complaints about PGR beyond my own user error at the very beginning. So what I did is I put it in a 2.5 gallon sprayer. I mixed in some marking dye, put 0.11 ounces in. This last time I watched where I was walking, basically going down these stripes with that marking dye. Light coat, did not water it in. I let it sit on the grass overnight, and man, I just cannot tell you how happy I am right now. So if there's an endorsement for PGR, I guess this is it. I will be using it from now on in my lawn applications bi-weekly. Now I'm going to show you something else over here. I got way too dry over here, and I thought that it was a PGR effect, but it was not. And this is what I talked about in one of my other videos. Now I'm going to be playing catch up the rest of the summer. You got to stay on top of that watering, and if you don't, this is what'll happen. It's a browning gray effect, and I have just been pounding the water to it up underneath this soil as a slate rock ledge, and so it just dries it out in between the curb and that rock underneath the soil. And I should have just stayed on top of it. So it's stressed, seed heads popping up everywhere. It's dry, crispy, and it'll probably take me a couple of weeks to get it back looking like this over here. So just giving you guys an update, nothing else going on. If you got any questions, comments, throw them in below. Bermuda Brian out.